The banking world is changing fast, with customer expectations at an all-time high. As new technologies and financial innovations flood the market, banks face unique challenges to keep up with the demands. To thrive, banks need more than just basic tools. They need cutting-edge CRM solutions beyond basic customer management and delivering personalized and efficient service. Imagine a bank where every customer interaction is seamlessly tracked, every team member is empowered with insights, every service is tailored to individual needs. Sounds like a game changer, right? It has become a reality with CRM platforms. Designed to tackle the challenges of modern banking and transform customer interactions, CRM platforms have everything one needs to stand out. Before exploring the top 6 CRM platforms, let's understand the features to look for in a banking CRM platform. Gain real-time insights with advanced analytics, automate tasks, and integrate seamlessly with your favorite tools. Stay connected with mobile access and secure document sharing. Manage leads and segment customers for personalized services are all you need to succeed and thrive in your business. Now let's look at the top 6 CRM platforms reshaping the banking sector and driving unparalleled success. Monday CRM, ideal for banking teams needing speed and customization. Automate repetitive tasks, gain insights with powerful dashboards, and integrate seamlessly with over 200 tools. Salesforce Financial Services Cloud, perfect for institutions seeking AI-driven insights. View all customer data in one place, streamline onboarding, and leverage AI for enhanced service. HubSpot CRM, best for banks already using HubSpot products. Track contacts, streamline communication with AI-generated templates, and boost client connections. Zoho CRM, a user-friendly choice for managing leads and deals. Automate lead generation, gain deal visibility, and enhance productivity with smart workflows and comprehensive analytics. Microsoft Dynamics 365 is ideal for teams needing deep data management. It integrates with Microsoft products, uses AI to personalize services, and automates repetitive sales tasks. Sugar CRM, great for organizations focused on actionable insights. AI-driven data for better engagement, automate lead nurturing, and optimize your sales processes. At Cloud Analogy, we helped a prominent bank enhance loan distribution efficiency using Salesforce solutions. Faced with slow processing times, manual errors, and fragmented customer data, our Salesforce-based solution streamlined operations, boosting both efficiency and productivity. The result? A 40% increase in loan distribution speed and a 30% reduction in processing errors. With the right CRM platform and top-notch CRM consulting services, banks can not only meet but exceed customer expectations. Choose the platform that aligns with your needs and watch your banking success soar. For tailored CRM solutions, contact Cloud Analogy, your trusted partner for cutting-edge CRM services. Together, let's drive transformation with unmatched expertise and innovation.